This is a meal my mom made for us as kids back in Trinidad almost 40 years ago, and it's still one of the most nostalgic meals I make for my own family today. Boiled tomato choka, soft and fluffy fried bake, and boiled egg. The perfect combination. Easy to make, uses simple ingredients, and comes together quickly. So if you're interested, let's start cooking. Next, we'll give everything a good rinse. You can keep it large so you can remove the skins, or you can chop it fine if you don't mind the skins. And just drop it in the pot. Hot pepper to taste. Remove the seeds if you don't like it spicy, or eliminate altogether. Half an onion, and this is a large onion. Olive oil in, and because I'm fighting a cold, lots of thyme in. And next we'll add water depending on the juiciness of the tomatoes. Because these are not too fresh, they may have less liquid. I'll start with half a cup and add more if required. Peel and slice or mince garlic. I like garlic with larger cloves. It's much easier. Slice it thinly, mince or pound. I like it sliced. 2 to 3 cloves, or per your preference and tolerance. High heat. Once it comes to a boil, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how long it takes for the tomatoes to break down. If the liquid evaporates too quickly, we'll add liquid or more water. I'll start with a teaspoon of salt. We'll adjust later on. Once it comes to a rolling boil, reduce the heat, immerse it fully in the liquid, and let it continue to boil or simmer, depending on how much patience you have.
Timer 04 for 10 minutes, starting now.
We'll add 2 cups of flour to a bowl, baking powder. The recipe will be in the description box below. Sugar, salt, and butter. Put it on the side. I'll mix it and then mix in the butter. Yeast a little bit is optional. Mix well to combine. I added a little yeast because this dough will not get a chance to rest. For a minute or two, make sure everything is well incorporated. Then I'll rub in the butter. Rub in the butter. The egg is done boiling. We'll take off the stove. I'll gradually add water and knead to form a soft dough. This is 3/4 cups of water. Roll it around, squeeze to bring the moisture to the forefront. Roll it around. Squeezing it. Bring it towards the center. It's a shaggy dough right now. I'm going to add a little more water. Tablespoon more. Knead for a few minutes. Finish off with a little bit of oil on the top. Instead of adding flour, if it's too sticky, sometimes oil does the trick. You want to keep it a soft dough. It's fairly smooth. Rub it with oil and keep it covered until we're ready to cook. Let's check on the tomatoes. Still a lot of liquid. I added the entire 1 cup because it was older tomatoes. Riper, fresher tomatoes straight from the garden may have more liquid in it. And at this point, if you did not remove the skin by blanching, say, in the beginning, if you wish to pick it out now, you can. Or during the eating process. It really doesn't matter. Unless it matters to you. See, that's it. It still hasn't separated from the flesh of the tomatoes yet, so I'll let it boil. You can help thicken it. You can help thicken it by mashing with a dal gutni. Let me show you. This will help expedite the cooking. You don't want too much liquid, and at the same time you don't want it too dry. This recipe is also perfect to use up the abundance of tomatoes at the end of the growing season, like now. Usually I just allow it to cook down on its own, no swizzling or anything. I'm just showing you this method just in case you have a hungry family and you need to eat ASAP. It's just me alone here today, so I can take as long as I wish. Lunch for one, or brunch. And here it is, after about 25 minutes. It has a nice consistency. There's still some texture. It's not completely pulverized. This is a good time to taste and add salt. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. You taste and add according to your preference. And that's it. You're done. Let it boil for a couple more minutes if this is too thin for you. And enjoy. Simply amazing. If you have kids, pick out the tomato skin. Or picky husbands. Like this here. I could have done that before, but I haven't done it in 50 years and I'm not going to do so now. What I mean is that prior to cutting, you could immerse it in boiling water, cut the top in a square, not in a square, in a cross, immerse it in boiling water, blanch it for a minute or two, and then peel off the skin. But that's if you're extra. And as I said, it's just me here today, so this is perfect for me. Enjoy. Nothing else is required. No chunking. Nothing. Nice. Lovely. You can taste the garlic. You can taste the tomatoes. There's some sweetness from the tomatoes as well as tartness. And the flavor of the pepper is coming through without being spicy because I kind of removed most of the seeds. And the salt is perfect. And that's it. Simply amazing. The tartness of the tomatoes will pair well with the boiled eggs. And lots of sauce to dip with the fried bake. So next I'll get started on the fried bake. Next I'll peel the eggs. And I bought these eggs from the farmer's market this morning. So it's going to be a little difficult. They did say to use old eggs when you're doing boiled eggs. So this is not going to be ideal, but we'll make it work as long as we get some egg to eat. Refer to the boiled egg in my curry egg and aloo video for a better result. This is crazy. No faith in myself right now. Or this egg. I give up. I used the scale and divided it into 5 equally, about 4 ounces each. You pull the dough up to the top, pinch and rotate to make a ball or loya. Pull to the top, pinch and rotate. Let me get that call.
Okay. But I tried to pay the full amount, but they said it was non-refundable through Rosie.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, she wanted me mad.
I don't know.
Like, she texted me, she's like, please make sure they don't charge my car.
Yeah. But we'll just be honest. Press out the dough and roll it with rolling pin, about 5 inches wide, and we'll fry it. Fry until golden brown and fully cooked. Set aside and drain. As you can see, the second bake always turns out better than the first. Once it pops up, it means it's fully cooked. Just give it an extra couple of seconds, just for insurance purposes. Fry it as dark or as light as you like it. And drain it on the side. So gloriously beautiful. It's going to be very tasty as well. My phone is charging, but while we wait for that, I wanted to show you the insides. Well, this one did not swell fully. It's still going to be very, very delicious. Actually, it's going to be more delicious than the other one, in my opinion, because it's crisp on the outside. And look at that. Perfection on the inside. So amazing. Wow. Simply amazing. Yummy. Taking a nice bite. Press it flatten, ensuring the edges are flat. Roll it out. Somewhere between 5 and 6 inches. Ensure that your pot has come to temperature again and we'll fry. This way frying will be much quicker and we'll eat sooner. So I will eat. I can't eat all of this, so somebody come help me. And that's it. We're done. You can make them smaller if you wish, but I'm done in mere minutes. Amazing. So delicious. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. The sweet and tartness of the tomatoes, the gentle kick of the pepper makes this choka so irresistible, especially when paired with the creamy boiled egg and the hot and crispy fried bake. It's a comforting home-style Trini meal that I know you'll love, so definitely try it at home. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, leave a lovely comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Until next time, cook, share, love, and enjoy. Bye-bye.